Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Transit 2000 to 2006? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2000 to 2006 protects and distributes power to interior electrical systems like lights, wipers, heater, and infotainment. The relay box, chassis cab without parking system, in the Ford Transit 2000 to 2006 controls high current functions like heated rear windows, fuel pump, and indicators through dedicated relays. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2000 to 2006 manages and protects electrical circuits for engine systems, cooling, starting, and exterior lighting. The relays in the Ford Transit 2000 to 2006 control high current components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.